Hello, welcome to Cinegears product highlight. Today we are featuring the steering and drive train system. Cinegears RC car features all-wheel steering. Unlike other cars on the road that use front wheel for steering, the Cinegears RC cars utilize all-wheel steering, meaning the rear wheel also helps to steer the car. This feature allows the RC car to have better steering response, increased corner stability and tighter turning radius, and handle rough terrain better. The car also features two differentials, one in the front and one in the rear of the car. This mechanical device allows the outer drive wheel to rotate faster than the inner drive wheel during a turn. This is necessary when the vehicle turns, making the wheel that is traveling around the outside of the turning curve roll farther and faster than the other. In simpler terms, the differential allows the wheels to spin at different speed. You can also disconnect one of the differentials by removing either the front or rear drive shaft. By doing so, you can turn your RC car into front or rear wheel drive. For more information, please visit cinegears.com.